Hey guys, editing Melissa here. I am really trying to get this video edited the best way I can because I haven't really done a video like this before. I mean, I've done tutorials before, but nothing like Halloween themed or whatnot. So if it doesn't get put out on Friday, I apologize. So now onto the video. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Yes, I look so different right now, but I am doing a nice, fun, different kind of video for you guys. It is officially Halloween 2019, and to start off the celebration of this is Halloween 2019, I am going to show you guys how I came up with this haunted doll look. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. If you want to go straight into the tutorial, I am going to put a timestamp right here so you guys can just bypass all that I'm getting ready to talk about and just go straight into the tutorial. So as I stated in the intro, I wanted to do something a little bit different for today's video. I do, makeup tutorials every now and then, especially when I'm doing swatch and reviews on palettes and stuff. But I wanted to do something special for This is Halloween 2019. And I wanted to show you guys how I came up with this look. It's a haunted doll look. I really, really do enjoy it. So yeah, this is what I'm bringing for you guys today. I did want to hit on something that I had spoke about last video, and that is the restock for the Rebel Rouge Labs Losing My Religion palette. That restock is going to come sometime in the middle of this month, and it will be the final restock of the palette, so you better get it while you can. I'll leave a link down in the description bar along with my discount code so you can save money on that palette. I don't earn any money off that discount code, but it's there for you guys to save some money. But like I said, it'll happen in the middle of the month. The best way to get notifications for it is to be on my Instagram, because I post about it on my Instagram a lot. We also have a winner of the September Pandora's Box giveaway that I had going on, and she is right here. Yay! Congratulations to Emily. I am going to be getting your prize packed up, ready to go, and sent out to you. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. All right, let's get this going. All right, I went ahead, moisturized, primed my face. I've got a little bit of green concealer down because I still have those little red trouble spots going on. I also kind of glued my brows down a little bit because I want to do a different type of brow, and I didn't really I guess completely cover my brows because I barely have them to begin with. Y'all know hashtag where the brows at. So the first thing we're gonna do is the foundation. And before I found this foundation, I was using I think it was either last year or actually the past couple years before I stopped buying Wet n Wild. I was using their white base that always comes out on Halloween, but I have found a better alternative that, one, is actually a foundation, and two, they sell it year round. And it's the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation, and this is in the shade white. So when it says white, is white. When I apply this, I like to use a damp beauty sponge, so it does kind of diffuse the pigment of it, because like I said, it is really white. If you look at there's a couple posts of mine last year on Instagram where I had a white base on my face. I was using this foundation. It is pretty intense. And I'm going to use the Juno & Co. sponge. I did get this wet. This is the fancy smancy sculpting one. So let's go ahead and see what I mean? It's white. So let's just go ahead and put this on my face. Okay, yes, I know I look crazy right now, but it's all gonna come together, I promise. I don't really do my full chest right now. I wait until I put my shirt on that I'm gonna wear to take my pictures to do that, because I don't want it to fade out, because for some reason when I put it on my neck and my chest, it does tend to fade out a little bit, and I don't get it. It's just weird. But this is what we got going on. To set this, you can use a translucent powder. Just make sure it is translucent, because there are some powders out there that say they're translucent, but they have like a tint to them. My favorite one to use for when I do my, you know, spooky looks or whatever. Rebel Rouge Labs had a setting powder called Moon Phased. I'm not sure if she's going to bring that back or whatnot, but I have the loose setting powder. It actually was pressed, but it came in broken. Wasn't her fault at all. But I do like to use this to set my face. I'm going to finish setting my face, and then I'm actually going to do my brow that I want to do. I don't know if I want to keep the brow I got going on, because you can still see a little bit of it. I don't know. I'll decide when I come back. Okay, got these crazy ass brows going on. Oh, gotta love it. Okay, when I do a black brow like this, I like to use the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner to line it, and then I go in with a matte black eyeshadow to kind of set it. And what I have been using lately is the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place in the shared Shawata right here. It is if I can hold it up, it is the perfect matte black to do any type of look with. It's really cool. All right, now I want to add a little bit of gray going on to give me some kind of like definition in my face. I don't want to be like flat white before I put on before I do my detailing. So I'm going to go into the Nubian 3 Coral from Juvia's Place, and with this gray shade right here, I'm just going to use that just to kind of contour, give me a little bit of definition and whatnot. When I do my Halloween looks or any kind of like editorial looks in general, I like to use Juvia's Place palettes because I know what I'm going to expect. All right, yes, I know I look a little crazy right now. I went ahead and changed my shirt into the shirt that I'm going to wear for the pictures. I am going to do this when it's time for me to do that, because like I said before, it does tend to fade really fast. As you see, it's already starting to fade, so I don't do this area until I'm ready for my pictures. So yeah, this is what we have going on. So I have a little bit of the gray going on to give me more of like a, I guess, more deathy look. I don't know. All right, now let's go ahead and get started on the eyes. Now I want to do a matte black eye, and I'll probably still use this shade in the Nubian 3 palette to kind of blend it out, but I'm gonna go in with Shawata can't talk in Shawata and use that as my eyeshadow. I am going to do my whole eyelid plus a what down here at the bottom to give me that more like intense spooky look. When I use a matte black eyeshadow, I like to start just a little bit at a time, because if I don't, it's gonna get too messy, and I don't want that. I like what I've got going on right now as far as my face. So I always, as you see, I've coated my brush. I always tab the excess off, and I'll do like a little dab on my hand just to start it out, because it is always easier to build up than to take away. So let's do this. And I never just like start swiping. I will always pat and then start blending. Okay, this is what we got going on so far. I'm not going to finish my eyes yet. I want to get my detailing down. I did end up going into the Festival palette by Juvia's Place, and with the shade, I gotta get it open, with the shade Kaliki right here, I did kind of like put that over my eyes to give me a little bit of shine going on, you know, because she is a doll. So we got to glamour up just a tad. I do want to start getting my detailing down. Now, I am not good at all of freehanding stuff. So last year, like I said before, when I was still purchasing Wet n Wild, I bought a bunch of their stencils when they were on sale after Halloween, and I got a whole bunch of them. So I'm going to use a couple of these, and I'm going to put them on my face and then outline it. What I'm going to use is the Essence Gel Eyeliner. And then I'm going to take that Shawata shade again in the Warrior 2 palette and kind of set that so it doesn't really, you know, crease or it doesn't crack everywhere. Because this gel liner does tend to do that sometimes. So the first one I want to do like right here at my lip line. And I think I'm going to use this little one right here. So my hair has been shedding so bad lately. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut around it so it gives me a lot of room to, with what I'm working with. And then I'm just going to take the back off of it. And then I'm going to stick it just like, I think I'm going to have it start at my piercing scar. I get so much crap about when I put my lipstick on. And I'm like, oh. Okay. So now that that's on there, I'm trying not to talk too much because I don't want it to move around, because it will do that sometimes. Because you don't want to like completely stick it on, because then the it's going to bring up your foundation. So I'm just going to take a little brush like this in the eyeliner and just kind of go over it to give me that stencil I need, or the look I need. All right, that's not working. I'm gonna use this one instead. There. I will clean it up a little bit right here with a little bit of foundation, but that's basically what I do. So I'm going to put the rest of them on my face and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, this is what I've got going on. I put a little bit of blush, well, a lot blush on my cheeks to kind of give me that doll-like appearance. I finished out my detailing. I popped some lashes on, did my lower lash line, did my waterline, and I don't know if you guys can really tell. I'm going to come up close, but I put some red mascara down on my lower lashes. It is actually the ColourPop BFF volumizing mascara in Left on Red. Pretty cool, just to give it a little bit more. All right, now it's time for me to do my lips. I don't really want to do a red lip. I might do a black glossy lip. Yeah. Or I might do a red lip. I don't know. Or I might do an ombre. You never know with me. Y'all know I do what I want. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with black and then red in the middle. I think that'll look really nice. All right, I have my lip prep on. I'm gonna go in first with the Juvia's Place liquid lipstick in the shade Doo-Doo. I don't know if it's Doo-Doo or Doo-Doo. I don't know. I'm gonna say Doo-Doo and call it a day. Okay, the black part is done. I want to take a little bit of Jeffree Star's Wifey and just kind of like pat it on the lip. Put it on my hand. There we go. I'm going to finish everything up. I'm going to do my neck and a little bit of my chest. I'm going to put my wig on. I'm going to do the little bit of accessories I got going on, and then I will be right back with the finished result. This is the finished look of my haunted doll look that I have made for This Is Halloween 2019. Yeah, I popped on my pearl necklace. I threw on this wig that is really getting on my nerves right now, and I threw in a nice little flower headband. For some reason, the right side just doesn't want to look as good as the left side. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below, what are you planning on doing for Halloween looks? I'm really curious to see. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. You guys know the drill with this. You know how she looks. The shades are exclusive to this palette only, and my discount code is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any money at all whatsoever with this discount code. It's just there for you guys to save some money. All my social media handles will be down in the description bar. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye. Oh, this is cute. This side's cute. This side's like meh. Cute, meh. Cute, meh. I'm ready to go scare the she-bonkers out of some kids now, because they're outside playing. It's 9:30 at night. I'm supposed to be home when the streetlights are on. Whew, just took my pictures. Now I get these lashes off because they get on my nerves.